Today I'm going to show you a brief demonstration of the Systems module within IntelliMagic Vision for z/OS. This demonstration is meant to show you briefly some of the functionality of the Systems module, and at the end of the demo, if you'd like to see more, we'd love to talk to you about it, so just contact us. Here you're looking at the web reporter. This is the interface between any browser and the IntelliMagic Vision database. You're looking at a customizable opening dashboard. We call it the My Dashboard. It's per user, so each user can customize it for their use however they see fit. You can see here I have this one set up to put one of the dashboards right front and center, and the exception report on the left, as well as other reports that I like to look at without really going through a lot of the interface. I want to see it right on the front page. So how I would use this on a daily basis is I would look first at this frame here or widget, and I would see here that IntelliMagic Vision is saying that there's two things to pay attention to right away. And since they're in the yellow category, the warning category, it's not an emergency yet, but it's meant to warn you before things become an emergency. So here I want to see what this is all about. LPAR busy for my LPAR sys2. So I click on that key, and it takes me to a report that shows me a little over 24 hours is what I had it set at. And it's showing me that LPAR is a little busier than the yellow and the red threshold. You can customize any threshold within IntelliMagic Vision. And over the whole time period is what this rating is, this IntelliMagic Vision rating of yellow overall. You can shorten this date time selection, you can increase it, whatever you would like. But it's telling me that I have some times when this LPAR is a little busier than what I would like. So that's what that exception from the main dashboard was telling me. I also have other dashboards within IntelliMagic Vision, but I wanted to show you there's all these dashboards for just the Systems module. And this is just the Systems. There's also some coupling facility dashboards and some XCF dashboards. And you can see here that we have a lot of green, which is what you want. You want to have a healthy system. And if any of the metrics, like for say, let me click on this third one here, the System Health Dashboard. If any of these indicators went yellow or red, the whole frame would turn yellow or red, saying, "Hey, you need to look at this. It's important," and it'll help focus your performance monitoring efforts right away. You can see here that we have things on virtual storage and real storage, as well as paging. Workload Manager, there's a whole suite of Workload Manager reports. A lot of them are based on the performance index, but it'll report on some of your velocity goals and your transaction goals, things like that. So within the Systems module, we have all of these subsets of reports, and I would call them, we call them focal points. And anytime you click on a focal point, like if you're not sure what you can see in process or reporting, you click on that, and all of these are report sets. I would like to show you one report set and how easy it is to drill down in that report set, and that's the 4-hour rolling average. It's really important for the bottom line of your business. So if I click on that thumbnail that's a rolling 4-hour average for the LPAR, and I want to see what is causing my 4-hour rolling average, it's very easy. First, I would just click on the data series and then select the drill down that's available. In this case, I like to look at the 4-hour versus the RMF interval, which you can see when the RMF interval goes up, your 4-hour rolling follows it up. When it goes down, your 4-hour rolling average follows it down. So then if I want to see what's causing that RMF interval to go up or down, I just click on that data series, and it tells me I can drill down by workload, service class, address space, so you can see all those things at a quick glance. So it's a very powerful tool, very easy to drill down. We have many reports, thousands of reports really. We have some reporting on your zip and zap management. Here we also see there's the virtual storage and the real storage again. You can supply us the SMF records that relate to your SCRT and usage data. We'll make report sets for that. We report on paging for sure. Let me just click on one of the paging reports to show you how easy it is to get into that. The green on this page in report here, which means everything's good. Even though I have one system that is going up a little bit in paging, you can set your thresholds in any way, more granular way than you would think, and that is to catch those LPARs that you can accept a little bit of paging, and those LPARs that you have to be really strict on paging. So that's how you would manage the thresholds in this. But out of the box, the thresholds are set very well for IntelliMagic Vision. If you wanted to see how that compared to the previous day, you could click on this selection box and just compare it to one day earlier. And there you go. You can see that that spike did not happen before, the day before, but a different spike did. So maybe you would need to check out that system for further investigation. You can also see here that anytime you compare reports, for many of the reports, it gives you the weighted average change as a percentage and the absolute change. So it's pretty powerful. The compare feature is a very nice analytical tool. You can see here that we report on your PCIe cards. Using the SMF113s, we report on a lot of your CPU cache statistics, your level 1 cache miss, your relative nest intensity, things like that, to help you make better decisions about your logical processor to physical ratio. The crypto processors. And then as far as coupling facility and XCF goes, we have a whole set of dashboards for that. Here's the coupling facility dashboards. Just find them here. And you can see here that we have one that's showing red, so I just click on that. And then I can go down and see that I have a couple of structures that are having issues with directory entry reclaims, so I can properly tune those. And then I have a set of dashboards for XCF, and I can see about my health of those with those metrics.